Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to unpublish Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, log in into your Wix account and click on my site, and here you will get all the sites you created on your Wix account. So you have to open that site you want to unpublish. So for example, I want to unpublish this site, so I'm going to opening this site. And then scroll down to the left hand side and click on settings and click on website settings, and here you will get unpublish button. So click on unpublish and unpublish. So here you can see the site is unpublished now. So this is how we can unpublish Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.